Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is on the Bitcoin halving. What am I talking about? Well, approximately every 4 years, the rewards for Bitcoin mining are cut in half. And this absolutely affects the markets drastically. So what is a Bitcoin halving? Well, basically what happens is, Bitcoin is mined and people go out there with their ASIC miners and everything else, and they're doing their work mining Bitcoin for us, the consumer. And every 4 years, it's actually not every 4 years, it's every 210,000 blocks, the Bitcoin rewards are cut in half. And like I said, history always repeats itself in every situation in the world. And crypto cycles are the same. And if you look back at 2019, where the market was, and you look at where we're at today, it's pretty much identical. Like I said, now I'm not a big chart guy. I'm not a guy that goes through and does all the graphs and everything else, but I do follow patterns and I do look at history. And I can tell you that for the most part, once we know roughly when that halving is going to happen, we always see Bitcoin moving up. It finds its top, it retraces, it comes down, finds a bottom, and then once it has found that bottom again, we see parabolic movement up until the end of that cycle. And it rinses and repeats. And that's basically where we're at. So what I'm trying to get at is right now is a fantastic time as a crypto investor to be accumulating crypto, getting into your favorite projects, investing into whatever it might be, gaming, metaverse, utility tokens, layer ones, it doesn't matter, high risk, high reward, ADA, whatever, HBAR, just anything that really resonates with you as an investor. We're going to see some amazing movements, Now, this isn't financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, and I'm telling you history repeats itself. So when are we looking at this halving happening? Well, we're looking at probably anywhere from March to April of next year. So we're going to be seeing between now and then some really good upward movement. Me personally, I think we're going to see probably close to a 50K Bitcoin. I mean, like I said, not financial advice, but just my personal thoughts. We're going to probably see the market move up from where it's at now. I think we're hovering around a $30,000 Bitcoin, and that's probably going to move up to right around a $50,000 Bitcoin between now and the end of the year. And at some point in time, we're going to have a massive sell-off. We're probably going to come back down. It's going to retrace to the $35,000 range. And then once it hits that and the Bitcoin halving has happened, we're going to see that parabolic movement up. Who knows to what? Like I said, there's a lot of speculation out there. But me personally, I think we'll see an 80 to 100K Bitcoin at the top of the next cycle. Maybe more. There's a lot of people calling for 200K, 500K. I don't know. It's all speculation. Nobody has a crystal ball. But I do think we'll see some major upside movement. So like I said, right now, this is the time to accumulate. Look for those gems. Look for those projects that are going to do your 10x, 50x, 100x. Look for the market to start peaking out around, 50, 55,000. Like I said, look at history. I'll be taking profits around that point in time. I'm going to wait for the market to come back down. I'm going to buy back in, and I'm going to ride that second wave up. So, like I said, there's a lot of other people that do chart analysis and a lot of other types of things. But me personally, like I said, I'm just giving you a rough idea of what to be looking for in the market, seeing that we're getting close to the Bitcoin halving. So I'm excited for this because, like I said, history repeats itself. And I do think there's going to be a lot of amazing opportunities. Crypto millionaires will be made in the next few months to up to the next year, up to this Bitcoin halving. And I hope it's going to be you. I hope it's going to be me. I hope it's going to be people in our community. I hope that we can succeed, that we can grow together, and that we can help each other look for these trends, look for these peaks, start taking profits. And if you want to be a part of our community, join our Discord. Go over and check out our Discord. We have amazing community over there. Crypto multi-millionaires, crypto beginners. We're over there helping each other grow. We're giving you opportunities in private sales and seed sales. So you do not want to miss out on these amazing opportunities because there really is great people over there. We're creating a community. We're creating a family, a place where people can absolutely just hang out and help each other grow. We want to accumulate wealth so we can do great things in the world. I don't know. What do you want to accumulate wealth for? Is it to buy a new car? Is it to get a new house? Is it to take a vacation? I don't know. But these are questions that you really should ask yourself, because I will tell you this. accumulating wealth is not that hard. Keeping wealth is very hard. So when you need to have a mindset as to planning out your life and what you're doing. So you're in the right place. You're in crypto. So I'm going to give you that. If you're watching this video or other crypto videos, you are in the right place. You have the opportunity to make wealth. Now the question is, this is what you need to ask yourself, and this is for anybody out there that wants to accumulate and keep wealth. What are you going to do with that wealth? That's the question. And once you have accumulated, how are you going to keep it? Are you going to work it? Is it going to continue to work for you? Because if you look at statistics, like people who win the lottery, things like that, about 90% of all lottery winners within the first 1.5 to 2 years have lost all of their money because they don't have a plan. They don't have a mindset as to what they're going to do with this wealth. So you, as crypto investors watching this channel, when you become a crypto millionaire, because you have that potential and that opportunity, when you become a crypto millionaire, what are you going to do with that wealth? That's something for you to think about. Only you can answer that question. Me personally, I want to help make the world a better place. That's why we're doing stuff with our Karma NFTs. We're building clinics. We're working with the school. We're helping people. Of course, I want to have a nice life. I want to be able to go on some vacations with my kids, but I live in a beautiful place. I live here in the jungles of Guatemala. I have spent 90% of my time with my kids. I basically am living a life of a retired person in the jungle, running a beautiful eco hotel. So me, I'm blessed. What are you going to do to bless your life? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself. Have a plan. So that way, when you do get those millions that come in from crypto, you know exactly what you're going to do with it, and you know how you're going to keep your money. And trust me, that is how wealth is made. All right, everybody, Cryptopians, I do hope you have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification, and I do hope to see you over there in our Discord. We have a great community. All right, everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.